Welcome to this hypnosis meditation. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep, comfortable breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to relax a little more, letting go of any tension that you may be holding in your body. And as you take those easy breaths, I want to remind you that this is your time. A moment for you to connect with yourself and to cultivate a sense of connection with your body and self-love. And so just allow your breath now to settle into its own rhythm. Moving your awareness more and more inwards and observing your breath from inside of yourself. Notice the rise and the fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Becoming more attuned to the subtle sensations and gentle rhythms within. And as you continue to breathe easily and calmly, I want you to imagine a warm, gentle light beginning to glow at the top of your head. This light represents healing, self-love, and connection with yourself. With each breath, feel this light slowly spreading down from your head, through your neck, and into your shoulders. As it moves, it brings a sense of relaxation and comfort. Allow this light to continue its journey down through your arms, through your chest, and into your abdomen. Feel it bathing your gut and abdominal area in warmth and positivity. Your body, despite its challenges, is deserving of love and gratitude. It works tirelessly for you every day. Acknowledge this effort and send feelings of appreciation and kindness to your gut and digestive system. Allow yourself a moment to be in this space. And now repeat to yourself the following affirmations, either out loud or silently in your mind. And with each affirmation, imagine the light growing brighter and more soothing, enhancing the positive energy within you. I trust my body. My body is resilient and capable. I am worthy of love and care. As the light continues to spread, feel it moving into your hips, down your legs and into your feet. Every part of your body is now bathed in this warm, healing light. Notice how any areas of tension or discomfort begin to ease, replaced by a sense of calm and well-being. Now picture yourself in a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a beach, a forest, or any peaceful location that resonates with you. In this place, you are free from worry and stress. And as you walk through this serene environment, notice how your body feels lighter, more relaxed, and how each step brings you more in tune with yourself. Now visualize a tree or another natural object that represents strength and resilience. Approach this symbol and feel its energy. Just like a tree, your body is strong and enduring, capable of withstanding and adapting to various challenges. As you stand by this symbol of strength, take a moment to feel the ground beneath your feet. Imagine roots extending from your feet into the earth, grounding you, connecting you to the earth's stability and strength. Feel the earth's energy rising up through your roots, infusing your body with its supportive and nurturing power. Now shift your focus to your breath. With each inhale, imagine you are drawing in this energy from the earth, filling your body with a sense of stability and security. And with each exhale, release any lingering doubts or negative thoughts about your body. Allow your breath to cleanse you, renewing your sense of trust and love for your body. Take a moment to place your hands on your stomach area now. Feel the warmth of your hands infusing your digestive system with compassion and support. Whisper to yourself, "I am here for you, body. Together we will heal and thrive." Imagine now a gentle stream of water flowing through your body, starting at the top of your head and moving slowly down to your feet. This gentle stream washes away any remaining tension, leaving you feeling refreshed and at peace. The water represents cleansing and renewal, purifying your body and your mind. Focus on any areas of your body where you might feel discomfort or mistrust. Direct the warm light and the gentle stream to these areas. Feel the light soothing and comforting, bringing a sense of peace and acceptance. Allow the stream to carry away any residual discomfort, replacing it with a sense of ease. As the stream continues to flow, bring your attention now to your heart. Feel the light and the stream converging here, creating a powerful source of love, connection, and positivity. Your heart is the center of your being, radiating warmth and compassion throughout your entire body. Imagine this loving energy spreading outwards now, reaching every cell, every fiber of your being. Remember, every part of your body is doing its best to support you. Even when you face difficulties, your body is your ally, not your enemy. Embrace this partnership with kindness and patience. As we near the end of this session, take a few more deep, easy, calming breaths. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling the surface beneath you and the air around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You are worthy of love and healing. For more guided hypnosis, meditations, and exercises to help support your digestive health, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And why not explore the Calm Gut app with a free 7-day trial? Click on the link below to get started. And if you enjoyed this session, up next is a guided hypnosis journey to help you find relief from the burdens of past trauma and emotional turmoil that can impact gut health.